Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious tea eggs. First, let's start with the eggs themselves. You'll want to gently boil about 6 to 8 large eggs for approximately 6 to 7 minutes. This initial cooking time is perfect for setting the egg whites while ensuring the yolks remain just a little bit soft. While your eggs are on the stove, you can begin preparing the aromatic braising liquid that will give these eggs their signature flavor. Once your eggs are boiled, carefully remove them and gently crack their shells all over. The goal is to create a beautiful marbled pattern, so do not peel them. These small cracks are essential, as they allow the rich tea and spice flavors to infuse deeply into the egg whites. Next, let's prepare the braising liquid. In a pot, combine 4 cups of water, 1 cup of soy sauce, and 2 tablespoons of your favorite black tea leaves. To enhance the flavor profile, add 2 star anises, 1 cinnamon stick, and 1 teaspoon of 5-spice powder to your braising liquid. These spices are key to the authentic taste. Now, carefully place your cracked eggs into this aromatic liquid. Bring the entire mixture to a gentle simmer over medium-low heat. Allow the eggs to cook in this flavorful bath for at least 30 minutes, ensuring they absorb all the wonderful spices and tea. For the most intense and delicious flavor, it is crucial to let the tea eggs cool completely within their braising liquid. This extended steeping time allows the flavors to fully develop and penetrate. For optimal results, refrigerate the eggs in the liquid for several hours, or even better, overnight. When you are ready to enjoy them, simply peel away the shells to reveal the stunning marbled pattern and savor these wonderfully savory tea eggs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.